Katie, and I'm vlogging today because some of my friends are down from Brisbane, and a bunch of us are going for a little hike up in the Grampians, which are these beautiful mountains west of Melbourne. So we're going for a little road trip and going for a beautiful walk. So I thought I would take you along. So let's go. Hey Jerry, you want to be on the internet? Jerry. That's too cute.
Because we've heard of us dying. We're good?
That's delicious.
So I'm all cozied up in my PJs and I've had a shower, hence the very frizzy hair. And I've been kind of trying to do some uni work, hence the messy desk. But we had such a fabulous day, having a little mini road trip out to the Grampians. It was so good to have our little crew back together. The 6 of us, we're all from Townsville,
and 5 of us, but like not Blair, the rest of us, we all met at a place where we used to work up in Townsville 8 years ago next month. So it was really good to have our little group back together and have just a really, really lovely day together. I loved today. But it is getting late and I am so ready for bed. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. So much love. Bye.